Hi, eighth graders. So today we're going to be starting analyzing and evaluating the product that you chose on Monday to evaluate for the unit. So each of you are supposed to choose, or should have chosen by now, a product to evaluate that has both positive and negative aspects to it. So today you're going to be using that choice for today and tomorrow and the coming days. You're going to be using that choice to complete your work for Criterion D for this unit. So I have included here a template for you that you're going to follow. So let's take a look at the template and what you're going to be doing today. So what you'll be doing today is tackling this second and third task. I combined them because I thought they could go together pretty easily, and I could easily evaluate you on both of them this time around. So what you're going to do here is insert a photo and the name of your design into this table. So whatever design you chose on Monday, you should insert a photo of it and its name here. And then you're going to give the examples on when and where it was created, who made it. Just let me know what's the company that made it. Is there a specific inventor? And when it came out, when it was first introduced. This can be the specific model that you chose. I recommend that it's the specific model that you chose, but if you chose a product in general, just when they were initially invented. When we talk about descriptions, you're just going to explain what it was designed to do. Give a few sentences that talk about what the product was supposed to do. This can be maybe this requirements that you see on a website page where you buy it. So for example, like the Amazon description of the product, or they can be what the company, what the creator had to say about the product. You can even reference things like the mission state of the company or the product, mission statement of the company or the product. I recommend that you use a source here to help you really understand what the product was supposed to do, what it's designed to do, because oftentimes people can say, oh, this design is supposed to do this, but maybe the public perceives it and uses it a little bit differently. So here in this description, you're just going to explain what the design was designed to do, what the creators, the company that made it, whatever it was, designed it to do, what their idea of it is. And you're just going to insert that there. Then you're going to identify 3 to 5 negative impacts that the product has, and then describe a strategy or two that could combat each of the negative impacts that you identified here. So I have an example of this, which I will attach to this assignment today too. But looking at this example, so for me, myself, I chose a tanning bed. And so here I let you know when tanning beds were created, who made them, where they were made, and then I also give a breakdown on what tanning beds are created to do. And then from that, I reference the different negative impacts of tanning beds. Some of these things can be intuitive, so these can be negatives that you yourself have observed, or they can be negatives that research has proven, or people have opinions on, or people have proven. So you can either use, oh, this product has shown that it causes cancer through research by the American Dermatological Society, or you can say something like, this product is uncomfortable or harmful in homes according to this user, which could be you, it could be someone that you found on a review site, or it could be someone that you know. So here we want to highlight negative impacts that can either be proven by research or opinion. And you should be sure that you are including any references that you've used in a works cited page at the bottom of the example. So today you're going to insert a photo and name the product, tell when and where it was created, briefly describe what it was designed to do, and then explain the negative impacts, or point out 3 to 5 negative impacts and a few strategies to combat them that you can think of, or you can imagine, that you can see as being strategies to combat those things. How you will turn in your work today is you're going to use this document here to submit evidence of your progress, because just like last time or last unit, you'll be using this template as you work through your design. So, as you work through all the work in this unit. So you'll keep using that template, so you don't want to turn it in today because you'll lose access to it. So use this document here to insert either copy and paste what you've done into here, or you can take a screenshot just to let me see what you're doing. Let me give you a little bit of comments on it to let you know if you're on the right track. And yeah, so that's what you're doing today. If you have any questions, please email me or make a comment on the post. I will be available tomorrow on Google Meet during our classroom to answer, during our class time to answer any questions that you have. Good luck and can't wait to see what you do. Bye, guys.